Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hi guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Wolf and her little sister Fox. Chapter 27, so here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Minjun, UNC, and also your aunt have something to do. You talk about it first. Get in touch with your feelings. Oh, finally, aunt, he really didn't recognize UNC. Right then, she really leave them alone. Well, what could it be wrong with this? Clearly, right now, UNC, she's really caring for Minjun. But UNC said, Miss Shane, I am confident that I will definitely protect you. She moved closer to her, and right now, Minjun, it seems that she doesn't understand what UNC trying to say to her. Why are you here? You shouldn't be here. Minjun said to UNC, UNC, I didn't expect Chan Shaohan not to remember me, so I came to you easily. Just like playing games and opening flag-ins and directly reaching the final dungeon, sending the fox into the wolf's mouth. Right now, Minjun said, you cannot. Of course, she's really worried about UNC. Remember what happened to her mother before, but right now, she was really afraid. No, you're rushing. Let's go. This is not a place that you should come. Now, UNC, she's been dragged out of the place by Minjun. Well, what's the reason why suddenly Minjun becomes so afraid of her? What's wrong with you? We haven't seen each other for a few days and the little one starts to hate me. Right now, what's wrong with Minjun? UNC, she got really worried about. No, I don't hate my sister because you don't know how dangerous the Jayan family is. So, this is the reason why Minjun suddenly changed her mind. Did you still remember my mother, your stepsister, the version you once liked, Min Meow Min, just died here? So, why are you? Now, Minjun, she kept herself in silence. It's because of this that I came to you again in the capacity. Now, it's me to protect you in the future. Xiaojun will also work hard to master more resources to protect her sister. Xiaojun won't let me repeat Min Meow Ming's mistakes, right? The White Rabbit are different after all. Well, right now, UNC, she was only trying to protect Minjun. She really need to set this thing. So Minjun, she was really not worried. She became teary. Minjun, she moved closer to her shoulder, hugging her, and Minjun said, okay, well, finally, this little girl. She has a reason to protect each other now, especially UNC. As you expected, Xiaojun, I took the initiative to take the first steps of trying. I hope that in the future, everything will be as we wish. So, this is it. This is UNC trying to say to Minjun, I can learn to be your lover. I will work hard and stay by your side. So UNC means that she was really willing to do anything just to stay with Minjun, especially facing the Jian family. Oh, a few days later, what's this? And no one has told me that personal bodyguards are too difficult to do. It's to take an on-the-job diploma and hold a certificate and so on. Right now, Minjun, she moved closer to her. Sister, you seems to have troubles. Well, looking at UNC, she is really having difficulty to understand the things about the triple things on bodyguards and so on. UNC said to her, it was a little trouble. Now, looking at her, she looks really calm. Also right now, Miss Chian, Miss Me. She looked back and turns out, Minjun was not only alone but also, Miss Me is also there. By the way, Jian Shaohan is holding a family dinner at her old house tonight, so Xiaojun fiancé also came. Oh, it turns out even though they're only playing to be a couple, of course, UNC, she really gets jealous about this. To introduce you to sisters, this is my personal bodyguard. Even I know that they are really fake lovers, still I don't care. Hello, sister. Why is she here? This is not a personal bodyguard. A special person harbored the Jian family, right? Don't call me sister, just call me Sister C. Alas, do you understand the meaning of the word sister? Oh, right now? Oh, Sister C. Be watching the show on purpose. Now, this is great. UNC. She really got in trouble. Also right now, she really got jealous. Miss Mees came here. Right now, she was holding a candy. I said to her, "That's right. Well, this is the reward." Right now, Miss Me. Thank you. Ah, don't give me her one. It's really terrible. What's wrong with you, little lovers? Janjun must be a mischief towards me. The candy was only for good children, and she was disobedient. You can go in quickly. The masters of the house is waiting impatiently. Oh, right now. Only the Jian family can attend the family banquet of the Jian family. Oh, that's why. UNC. And Minjun and Miss Me is only there. I heard it was to you to welcome the relatives who had just returned from the distant place. Now, Minjun is greeting her cousin together with Miss Me. Well, look at this girl. I'm just a wage earner and there's no need for the bodyguard to be an eyesore at the family dinner. It's none of my business. That's right, just what I said. But how? How can you hold her hand? Right now, UNC. It's like she was having a headache because Minjun, she was really getting mischievous. Also right now, so I am jealous. I should have to be with her. She was young and idle. So is this a crime I committed? So I am so guilty of being jealous. Right now, she really deserved this. Sister, what's wrong with me? Oh, right now. She's not believing herself that she already feels this. Right now, she's asking someone how to deal with these things. Oh, this little silly. He even came to us. Right now, she got really curious. Also, she was really serious about texting this. Well-behaved children should admit their mistakes. Not well-behaved will come and questions me. What should I do, Xiaojun? Do if they doesn't know where she went wrong. Then, you will have no reward for today. Sister told me personally after dinner, I want to see you on swings in the garden. It is a warm and ambiguous invitation. Also, she has some plans. The cunning little thing finally showed it's a foxtail, but unfortunately, I still stick to this. Well guys, the story is getting better. Thanks for 100 Closet, joining the membership. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can join the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!